Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x plus 3. This is equal to x. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have x plus 3. This is equal to x. Now let's take x on the right hand side. This means that 3 is equal to x minus x. This is to mean that 3, this is equal to x minus x, this is equal to 0. So we have that 3 cannot be equal to 0. This to note that there is no real solution. There is no real solution here. So what we have is an empty set. We have an empty set. Now, if we have A equal to B, this means that A to the power of 2, this is equal to B to the power of 2. Now we have that x plus 3, this is equal to x. Now let's raise this to the power of 2 on both sides, and this means that we have x plus 3 to the power of 2. This is actually in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a to the power of 2 plus b to the power of 2, then plus 2ab. Now this, applying this algebraic identity, here we have x to the power of 2 plus 6x, then plus 3 squared, which is 9. This is equal to x to the power of 2. Let's take x squared on the left hand side, so that we have x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus x to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. Now we have x squared minus x squared. This simplifies, so that now we have 6x plus 9. This is equal to 0. So this is to mean that we have 6x. This is equal to negative 9. Now let's divide both sides by 6, and this means that we have the value of x here equal to, now let's divide 9 by 3. 9 divided by 3, this is 3. 6 divided by 3, this is 2. So we have x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x, if this value of x satisfies the equation. Now let's verify that this value of x, which is minus 3 over 2, if this satisfies the equation. We have x plus 3. This is equal to x. So this is negative 3 over 2 plus 3. This is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now this is to mean that the LCM here is equal to 2. So we have 2 divided by 2 is 1 times negative 3. This is negative 3 plus 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 3. This is 6. And this is equal to negative 3 over 2. Now we have negative 3 plus 6. This is equal to 3 over 2. And this is not equal to negative 3 over 2. So this is to mean that x is not equal to negative 3 over 2. X is not equal to negative 3 over 2. So in this case, this means there is no solution. This means there is no solution. But now, if we have the absolute value of negative 3 over 2 plus 3, this is equal to the absolute value of negative 3 over 2. This implies that negative 3 over 2 plus 3, this is the same thing as 3 over 2. This is the absolute value of 3 over 2. This is equal to the absolute value of negative 3 over 2. And this means that 3 over 2, this is equal to 3 over 2. And this implies that the absolute value of A, this is equal to the absolute value of B. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.